What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Paulie C. Doing a lot of upholstery today in a couple of rooms here at this home. This is a regular client I do every 2 months. You can see I'm using the Hoover Hush Tone with that attachment that I talked about the other day for vacuuming, or I should say my wife is using the attachment. Might get a little loud in here, so you may not be able to hear me. I got my Harbor Freight 1500 to 3500 RPM hand polisher. And this is kind of a velour type material. This one is a cotton acrylic. We're going to use simple Encap in the foamer. Get the solution worked into the product. Let it do its job, and then we'll go over it with the Orbital and a damp pad and get this thing looking amazing. This is low moisture VLM, very low moisture upholstery cleaning. And obviously there is liquid in the foam. So, but it should be dry within, I would say a half hour after cleaning. And I've been doing these ones, for quite a long time. So I know that the simple Encap or awesome Encap is working fantastic as far as the maintenance program on these chairs go. They stay really clean. You can see there's not a lot of soil on them. They do have 2 dogs and a cat. For some reason, I can't get the cat to stop putting her nails into the furniture. Even when I'm here, you'll see she'll probably sneak around and start. I think when she sees freshly cleaned upholstery, she likes to dig her nails into it for some reason. But anyway, I'll let you watch me for a minute. This is a very easy process. Obviously, I'm using a microfiber mitt, and I'm using a IK 1.5 foamer. And I could mix or concentrate the simple Encap a little heavier and it'll foam up thicker, but I only have about 2 ounces in the bottom of this. The rest is water. And when I use awesome Encap, the 2 ounces in there, man, it comes out straight shaving cream, really thick. But I wanted this one to be a little thinner, and that way I know it's loosening everything up within the fiber, and then we'll go over it. You'll be able to see my glove. The glove I have a couple different gloves to switch to because it does pick up soil. Obviously, you could almost clean the upholstery just with the glove. You know, use this, go over it with the encapsulator, and then maybe get a little citric acid and some water or some white distilled vinegar and water, and put it in a bucket and soak your rinsing glove, and then you could go over it and rinse away any product that's on there. Leave it nice and neutral. You can see I'm gonna get the pad a little damp. Work that in. And again, this is the Harbor Freight. It is the one with the digital settings, 1500. Or 1000 to 3500. I usually do furniture at 1000 RPMs.
you show me the pad? Can you show me the pad?
All right, let's check out the dirty pad. The Poly-C signature fold. Oh yeah. All right, we vacuumed this area rug up, obviously, to get up any of our foot or overspray. Vacuumed it up real good. Simple Encap, crystallizes anyway, so if there was any foam that dropped on the carpet and it's wool safe, this is a wool rug, it will crystallize and be vacuumed. This one, oh my gosh, this is the hardest sectional to clean. It is an acrylic also, so you got to be really uniform and even when you distribute the product. This one here, I'm gonna brush it out. Take a look one more time. There's the cat, I told you.
Yeah.
A little culprit, I cannot stop her. So I did this little office area. I should have took some before pictures. I forgot to do that. They were really dirty, especially this one. This is the game room. This one had throw up and spilt coffee, and this one here had throw up and pet urine. I cleaned it with a scrubbing pad, microfiber scrubbing pad, and then a microfiber just straight afterwards. You'll see here, I got that stuff in my hand. I used Magic Bullet on the pre-spotting, and then I used the simple Encap right there. Boosted with 6 ounces of Go-Oxy, which is a peroxide base. Put that in there to help get rid of the urine. And then my wife, before she started grooming it, took a bottle of the War on P enzyme, and we did it straight because the smell was extreme. So we just took that bottle, poured about 2 ounces into the bottom of the spray bottle, and misted all the areas that needed it. And she's grooming it beautiful, and the smell is actually, it feels like it's gone. All I smell is the berry scent. It smells fantastic. I did let the customer know, give it a couple hours to dry, let that enzyme do its trick. So, and there, I want to make sure, yep, looks good. Okay. We are out the door. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Carpet Cleaning Guys Vlogs. I know I had a good time here. Decided to use the Orbiter. Looking fantastic. If you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so. Make sure you hit the notification bell so you know when I'm posting future videos. And I'll see you in the next one.